love. What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica. And how old are you, Jessica?
4.
Aren't you brave coming up here, Jessica? And who have you come to the pantomime with?
Mummy and Daddy.
Where are Mummy and Daddy? Point them out, name and shame. So where are Mummy and Daddy? Where are they? Oh, hello.
Me and Mama.
Oh, Dad's all right, isn't he? Oh, you get your looks from your dad, actually, don't you? Because it's not your mum.
That's Mama.
That's your mummy, yeah. What did you have for Christmas? What did you get for Christmas?
There's something.
Loads of things. What was your favourite of that?
There's
Loads. Money well spent, wasn't it? Did you have a favourite bit of the panto? What was your favourite bit?
all of it.
Oh, that's a lovely answer. So will you help us with our song?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jessica.
Hello, what's your name?